Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to change Wi-Fi password. So let me go here and type this IP address 192.168.100.1. Then press enter. So now here you can add username and password. So this one sometimes telecom admin and admin telecom. So this one is specialized for these networks Huawei devices. Then click on login. So now you can go here and select, here you can see this one, WLAN. Click here, then scroll down, and this is the password. You can go and select any password that you want to add. For example, let me add this one, then click on apply button. So after that, here you can see my network is gone. So now how we can reconnect again with Wi-Fi. So if I scroll down and go here, then click on this network. So now here you can see it keeps connecting but not connected. So how you can fix out that? You can also go from here, more Wi-Fi settings. Then you can click manage non-networks, and you can also click on forget from here. So if you are getting this option from here, then you can simply right click and click on forget button. So now you can wait for a few seconds, then after that click on connect. So again let me add here password, then click on next. So in this way you can easily reconnect with your Wi-Fi connection.